Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain to you how easy it is to make online premium payment on LIC's portal. To start with, I am going to click on this link. This link is already there in my notes under this video, so you can take it from there. When you click on this, you will land on this page. It has two options, pay direct and view transaction status. We are going to use pay direct, but before that we have to select what we want to pay. So I click on this pay, please select, and I am going to select renewal premium and done. Now you click on this proceed button, and here now you have to enter your policy detail for which you want to make the premium payment. Make sure that you enter the policy number correctly, and then you have to enter your premium, which is the basic premium without GST. If GST is applicable, it will be automatically added subsequently. Enter your date of birth, and then you have to enter your email ID. The email ID that you enter here will be used for receiving your premium receipt from LIC. Don't worry, there is no need for any kind of registration of this email ID on LIC. You just put the email ID that you regularly use. And this is the mobile number you have to enter where the SMS will be sent. Click on I agree, submit. So now in this process, you can actually make payment of more than one policy at the same time. So you can see one policy is already come here, and I'm going to enter one more policy now. You don't have to enter the date of birth and other things again, only the premium you have to enter again without the GST. I say add to the list. Now you can see there is one policy which I first entered with 6237 premium, and one more policy with 9392 as a premium. And now I'm going to click on proceed. It is confirming that I have entered two policies with a total premium of 15,629. Click on check and pay. Now it is telling you that bill desk gateway will be used. Click on check and pay again. Now this will give you various options now. Now we are on the bill desk gateway, and it is giving you an option of credit card plus ATM pin, internet banking, wallet, QR and UPI. So you can make payment through any of these modes. And let me also tell you that even if you pay with credit card, there is no extra charge, there is no surcharge. So I'm going to use credit card. Once I've clicked on the credit card, I've got the credit card detail screen. This is same as you use it in any other shopping apps such as Amazon or Flipkart or any of these. So you simply enter your credit card details here and click on this make payment button. You will receive an OTP. Enter that OTP and your transaction is complete and your premium payment is done. You will receive your receipt of the premium payment by email, and also you will receive a SMS confirmation from LIC on the mobile number that you have given. That's it, as simple as that. Hope this video has been useful to you. Thank you very much and take care.